My name is Peter Kemp. I'm the chairman of Surefire, and we specialise in fire detection and fire suppression systems, which are used in many of the large value critical asset protection buildings within the UK.
The rising population is placing a lot of strain on local authorities and councils to provide care for people in their own homes. An integral part of their support plan is to look at the person's safety. We need to look at the potential fire risks also. This could be due to smoking, poor cooking habits, maybe they've got a lack of mobility which would compromise their means of escape. With this in mind, Surefire developed the first personal fire protection system back in 2010, designed to give early detection and fire suppression where it's most needed.
UltraGuard is based on water mist. Water mist is based on something similar to sprinkler, but is different in that we atomise the water to very small particles. These small particles absorb heat very, very quickly. We found that the temperatures involved in a fire were dramatically reduced. The oxygen content stayed the same. It scrubbed out the smoke and also reduced carbon monoxide. So it made the atmosphere survivable.
UltraGuard is designed to give the resident time to escape or time for the fire and rescue services to arrive. It's rather like having your own personal firefighter, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Once both smoke detectors have operated, the UltraGuard will spring into action and it will pull through 110 litres of water through a specially designed nozzle, which will then discharge water mist for a period of 10 minutes into the room. This will create a survivable atmosphere for the resident until help can arrive. Of course, when the UltraGuard activates, it's got to tell somebody it's gone off to alert authorities that that person needs help. Inside the UltraGuard, we have an auto dialer, a wireless auto dialer, and then that can transmit either a voice or a text message to whoever you nominate. Alternatively, our engineers can also fit a cable to an existing auto dialer, and again, that will transmit any activations. As UltraGuard is self-contained and fully portable, it can be moved around as the residents' needs change. So therefore they may go into a care home or they may move house, and then the UltraGuard can be easily redeployed whenever the needs arise. Such is the popularity of personal protection systems that the BRE have now produced an LPS 1655 standard, which we're pleased to say that UltraGuard is the first personal protection system in the UK to have this coveted certification.
There are two fire tests that we use. One involves a fire starting on top of a bed. The second fire scenario involves a more shielded type of fire designed to simulate a fire starting underneath a chair or a bed, for example in a waste paper bin. In this fire, the ignition package is on the floor and the fire is allowed to develop into the fuel package. This demonstrates that personal protection water mist systems are able to deal with a variety of fire hazard scenarios.
First of all, we work with our partner agencies and our own information systems to try and target the most vulnerable within our society, so we can target our resources to meet their needs. Within Derbyshire Fire and Rescue Service, we use portable misting systems where there already isn't a sprinkler system within the property, or also where some of our other solutions, such as the alarms and telecare alarms and vibrating pillows, aren't suitable to actually ensure that person's safety. Within Derbyshire, we've installed 51 portable misting systems in the last year. Of these systems that we've installed, we've had 26 activations where we've then had fire engines turn out to the occupants. When a portable misting system within Derbyshire activates, our control do receive a text message, at which point we will mobilise fire engines to that premise.
With over 500 UltraGuards now deployed in the UK, saving on average 8 to 10 lives every year, UltraGuard really can be the difference between life or death.